In much the same way, the human body is actually made up of multiple, individual parts all working together. At the chemical level, atoms within the body function as the building blocks for larger, biologically relevant molecules, such as the inorganic water molecule, and complex organic compounds like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. At the cellular level, individual cells perform some of the body's most basic biochemical functions, such as metabolism, the production of ATP, cell division, and protein synthesis and modification. At the tissue level are groups of similar cells with a common function. The four most basic types of such tissue are epithelial, muscle, connective, and nervous. Next is the organ level, where different tissue types serve as a specialized functional center carrying out necessary activities no other organ can perform. Each organ is a discrete, recognizable structure. For example, the lungs, liver, kidneys, and pancreas. Organs working together for a common purpose comprise an organ system, like the cardiovascular system, which includes the heart, arteries, veins, capillaries, and blood. Finally, at the organismal level is the entire body, the sum total of all the structures that work together to maintain homeostasis and promote life.